In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set a MACD indicator inside of Vantage FX. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to vantagemarkets.com and then log into your account. Now from here you'll need to go over and find your specific account that you want to add this MACD indicator for, and then from here you'll need to find it and then need to click trade, like so. Once from here you'll need to go inside of the Vantage web trading, like so, and then find your specific instrument that you want to use this indicator for. Now once from here, once you have found your specific instrument, you'll simply need to go over here to the technical indicators, and then from here you'll need to search for MACD, and then from here you'll need to see the MACD script name right here. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on it once, and then from here you'll be able to see this blue line over here, and this is the MACD indicator. Once from here, you can start filling in your order and then purchase your order. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!